Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. We Dream to Be One with Creator. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. Christmas Eve, 2019. We aspire to be one with the Creator, as we look at the stars above, and imagine our place in the universe. Now, we know we have our individual journey, our path of oneness with the Creator, and everything is within ourselves. We realized we incarnated on Earth and experienced separation, duality and fear, in the Earth's plane, living in a polarized civilization. We learned to accept balance as we are made to understand what we mean of being passionate and kind. We developed the consciousness of hard work as we are told that we should produce and raise our sustenance, thrown away from paradise, a false belief. These are from antiquated books written to control us and make wealth for religions. We neglect the concept that we are the creator of our own reality, a function of expansion of Creator. At 3D, with the nation in the Pacific, the leading president is taking the cudgels for cutting manipulators' profits, oligarchs done with vices, cigarettes, drugs, donuts, real estate, tourism and now life itself, water. We wonder if we can call this man the balancer, 80+% popular to the masses in a democratic setting. A concept of God for us to experience trials, and values like kindness and passion, even pity. Light beings who made mind and body, earth vessel as our domicile, learned various ways to connect with source energy like grounding, hydration, rest, positivity, and keeping our distance from lack and need. Our intuition made us connect with our sun, Earth's crystalline grid lines and deep energies of the planet, the ways of connecting to the physical mind. We all have our own ways of preparation for the shift like presence or focus, silence, deep meditation to go within and connect with source within us. Acceptance of the true concept of oneness with the Creator, links a person directly with the ever-flowing energies of the divine. Love and joy will flow unto your being eternally, ways to absorb these intense energies. We can adopt positive attitudes of bliss of a healthy body in tune with the divine. Remain in our heart space, our heart chakra, connect love with our minds, the crown chakra. Focus on unconditional love emanating from our being in everything that we do, and the link to the divine mind happens. Trust in love as love fulfills all. The need and daily requirement for nourishment will be a bygone era, as the Supreme Creator, Source will be our abundant daily sustenance, a routine reality at higher vibrational frequencies. Our consciousness as collectives can make it happen at the fourth frequency. The shift to higher consciousness will alter our reality, and our journey starts again with different pathways to higher vibrational frequencies. Various portals are created by Source for energies to flow, including our sun, Earth, even our young uninfected children, who are natural portals and providers of energies from Source, to provide us the wisdom needed. The moment we understand that, we are not sinners, and should never fear Source, God, we connect with the divine. If you can imagine the Supreme Creator as a vast and expansive nourishment supply, desire and link your connection, as this nourishment will flow throughout your being eternally. You will never be wanting of anything on the planet, as Source is everything, and our path to oneness with the Creator is a path shorter than our dreams. Light and love from Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. NB. Go within yourself, know your powers. We live at 4D, and astral visits to various places and planets are available to us. Learn, visit and see 5D environs where expansive nourishment is a norm. A Jr. Love and Light from Angel Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at C/me and corporations creating jobs. Share teachings everywhere, anywhere. Link at ornedojra@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or articles at the net,